हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर न्यू वीडियो एंड ये स्पेशल वीडियो है सिर्फ ट्विटर के लिए। सीसी गीक्स और ट्विटर हैड अ स्पेशल प्लेस फॉर इन माय हार्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अ सिंपल रीजन कि प्रोफेसर कार्ड्स की जर्नी इट स्टार्टेड विद ट्विटर, बट एज टाइम वेंट आफ्टर 2023 we realized that making videos will be much more beneficial. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं व्हाट इज दिस प्रोफेसर कार्ड्स मेंबर्स सुपर सीक्रेट ग्रुप। आप लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए ना कि ये है क्या। तो दिस इज बेसिकली अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 4 ग्रुप्स which has the super secret group, which has the Amex chart, which has Axis and HDFC chat, and show your stack. These are the only 4 groups, and let me just play this video in front of you जिससे आपको पता लगेगा कि इस ग्रुप में एक्चुअली होता क्या। तो लेट मी जस्ट प्ले दैट। तो दिस इज मोस्टली कल का सारा डिस्कशन है, तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मेंबर्स ओवर हियर। अ सिंपल थिंग इज दिस इज अ ग्रुप फॉर आवर YouTube members, and YouTube members, they pay me 109, actually they pay YouTube 199 rupees, and as the channel is monetized, YouTube pay me at the end of the month. So this is the primary usage of this YouTube. अब बोलोगे यार members only videos, and why it is members only video? Because so why member only videos? For a simple reason कि I want the members who are paying me to watch my videos, they should feel something special. Special matlab they should have a contact with me. They should get a collection of videos जो उनको अगर वो लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्रेडिट कार्ड जर्नी में तो इट हेल्प्स देम आउट straight away. And some of my experiences which I feel is worth to the members, because of course they are paying me, so it is my kind of benefits which I give it to them, and YouTube has a reward structure for that. So there are 3 memberships available. 199 rupees, for which you get 1 month of membership only videos plus WhatsApp group access plus 15 minutes of chat. Then there is 799 rupees. By paying 799 rupees, आप लोगों को same benefits मिलते हैं, 1 month of membership, and you get the member only videos, but you get half an hour of chat session with me for clarifying your doubts related to your credit cards. And third option is at 11999 rupees, yani 2000 rupees, for which I give you the access to the members only video and आप WhatsApp group access for a whole year. That's it. And you get an hour, यानी 1 घंटे का मेरे साथ chat session, because a lot of people have a lot of doubt. That is the basic rules of things. Now let me clarify why and what it is all about. So check this video out. I just made it for you. And member only videos are live. There are some important videos like how to get cashback on credit card bill payment, Cathay Pacific जो एशिया माइल्स है उसका चीट शीट क्या है, आप कैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड टू बैंक ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो, कैसे मैरियट का रूम अपने फैमिलीज के लिए बुक कर सकते हो, कैसे एमेक्स का जो पहले वो था कि आप डिस्काउंटेड लाइक मेंबर्स रेट पे आप नहीं यूज़ कर पा रहे थे एमेक्स के ताज वाउचर्स को, अब वो स्टैंडर्ड कर दिया है, बट देयर इज स्टिल अ वे which is much more smoother. Plus the whole thing is that this is a collection of videos which is available online, and you should know this if you are starting with your credit card journey. So I hope now it is clear that these are not any special videos कि कोई hack या trick मैं share कर रहा हूँ, जो कि there are some other groups which they claim that they do. After we made this group, so we faced another problem. A lot of people wanted to share their referrals. रेफरल शेयर करना इज नॉट अ बैड थिंग. सो आई केम अप विद एन आइडिया कि अगर इस ग्रुप का यूज करके कोई मेंबर हु इज ऑलरेडी पेइंग 199 रुपीज, इफ ही वांट्स टू शेयर हिज रेफरल एंड इफ द रेफरल बेनिफिट इज दैट गुड, इट विल नॉट harm me. First of all, they will do things. I'll get paid if they use this group because this is a resource for me as of now. Second, a lot of people जो सिर्फ लिंक्स शेयर करते थे वो रुक जाएगा, बिकॉज देन इस ग्रुप में क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग, every 400 of them including me would have shared our referral links only. There are no discussions, no chats, on nothing else. So I devised a simple rule that people who wants to share their referral links, they pay me 1000 rupees, and till now around 5 to 6 people have only done it. Before this, हर रोज 5 से 6 referral links post होते थे, which I have stopped. So this is a way of me handling things because I'm a single person. It is as simple as that. Nobody wants to pay from YouTube because it is very costly. They can take a 6 months or 1 year of membership, which I've already posted on Twitter as well. People have joined the lifetime membership as well, and nobody is forcing them to. They want to because they get the personal touch which we are able to get. The ideas, the recommendations, the guidance they need, because not everyone knows about credit cards. It is as simple as that. I have spoken with industrial owners, I have spoken with school franchisee owners, I have spoken with a lot of people. They don't understand credit cards, and we are here to optimize that. People have asked me कि मैं उनके trips को plan करूं. I straight away say no because it takes a lot of time and I don't have that. So it's not always about money. It's about the personal connection we give. And if it is, since they are members, they are getting this personal touch. It is as simple as that. And let's talk finally, लोगों को कहाँ मिर्ची लगी. So this is the post on Twitter जहाँ से ये सब कुछ start हुआ. Basically, I was not happy with the Scapia coins value, and because I have not traveled to any airport in the last year, I have not been to a foreign country for the last 2 years. Reward rates जो हैं वो उतने ज़्यादा नहीं है कि I use it daily for those airport privileges because I have not been to an airport. Personally, my decision it was my experience, and I have recommended them. Your product will be obsolete if your referral program ends. Scapia team may read between the lines. Scapia has one of the worst reward rates in Indian credit card industries. Only few banks beat it. Scapia stores is a good addition, but the value remains the same. They could have increased the value to a better proposition to maybe 50 paisa for their benefits. So it will be a killer product providing 10% returns. Vouchers are required to be added. So these are all recommendations to the company and nothing else. So what happened? Why people started attacking in groups? Professor Cards को क्यों attack करने लगे? So here comes the financial things about it. Anytime you are using these links, apply.scapia.cards, we are using the official referral link from the Scapia. However, there are other links as well. Like there are third-party websites जो कि credit card पे they provide you some incentive. The users, like जिनका link वो use करेगा, they will be getting some incentives. What are those incentives? For example, Scapia card का अगर आप कोई Bitly का लिंक देख रहे हो, bitli.something, तो he will get 1000 rupees for per approved card. That is why you will see people constantly, pushing and saying that Scapia is a good card. I have been to this country, Forex, ye wo, and providing that link to apply. So that is not an official link. People are getting paid money for that. Similarly, this is called affiliate marketing, जैसे हम लोग शॉपिंग में करते हैं. There are other cards like SBI cashback card, HDFC card, Axis cards. Every bank have these partners जो ये links provide करते हैं, and card approval पे they provide you money to the influencer basically, and we also do that. The problem is जब मैंने ये post डाला तो people thought कि the money which is flowing in from the post, like लोगों ने पोस्ट किया हुआ है कि एक दिन में 1000 बार लिंक हुआ है, 2 दिन में 50,000 बार लिंक हुआ है, क्लिक हुआ है, एंड सो कन्वर्जन इज वेरी लो. मे बी अगर 1000 बार लिंक हुआ है तो 10 कार्ड अप्रूव होंगे, सो दैट्स 10,000 रुपीज स्ट्रेट अवे. सो दैट इज द इशू. व्हेन सो स्टार्टेड they started telling, attacking this post, attacking me, attacking personally, in groups. That happened. And again, when I told you, like, you are not supposed to do this. I have not tagged here. I have not created. मैंने किसी को टैग नहीं किया यहाँ पे. It is just my opinion. What changed? Because I want the product to be better. That is what changed. This is what created the rift. People, when they start attacking you, मैं अपने बारे में बता रहा हूँ, I am pretty decent, I am pretty, I'm okay. I played golf in the morning. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ भाई, ठीक है? And I don't need other people to support me or not support me because I'm pretty sure what I'm doing. The thing is, this should open your eyes. Who you need to follow, who you don't. आज तक मैंने 10,000 से कम ट्वीट किए हैं. आज तक मेरे वीडियोस का काउंट जो है प्रोफेसर कार्ड चैनल पे, दैट इज अराउंड 300. बट वी हैव गेन्ड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली ऑफ 11,000 ऑन ट्विटर and 10,000 on YouTube. That is what we have gained through our videos. You want to see? Just go into my channel. You will find the amount of videos you will change. You can just see. You can just learn. There are a lot of things. There are my experiences. It is everything and anything which I know, I have given it to the channels. And whether you watch it, whether you don't watch it, the channel is monetized. ठीक है? Videos पे channel is monetized. I am getting paid for it. So there is no point of me being, डरने की जरूरत तो है ही नहीं, because I am putting up my point. मेरा ओपिनियन है, अगर कोई एग्री नहीं करता है, he can say it politely. I don't have any issues. But you don't start attack. You will get exposed. I am sorry to say that. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope इससे आपके काफी सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे. I hope that this is the end of it. And there are no other things. Group को लेके clarification was very important because of a simple reason that those are all paid members, the 400 of them. I don't want them to feel that they are, being taught, written off or उनको expose किया जा रहा है. It is nothing like that. It's okay. Take care. I hope you guys had a good time. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.